One of the reasons GoodNotes was created was to help people stop losing their notes. Today, we'll show you how to make the most of GoodNotes' organization features so you can stay on top of everything, whether you have just a handful or years' worth of documents. You can create as many layers of folders as you want to keep similar notes together for easy access. For example, you can create a folder specifically for your school notes. Within it, you might create a different folder for each year and maybe even for each course. That way, when it's time to study, all of your relevant notes are in one easy place. Quick tip, if you want easy access to a notebook, you can just leave it outside a folder. Or you can favorite it and access it directly from the Favorites tab. You can choose to favorite notebooks, folders, or individual pages as well. Now let's talk about how you can navigate and organize large documents themselves. Firstly, whenever you import PDFs like textbooks, if they have an existing outline, GoodNotes will automatically pull that in for you. This makes it so easy to find and jump to whatever section you're looking for, even if your document has hundreds of pages. Alternatively, you can create custom outlines yourself, and this goes for any of your notebooks, not just PDFs. You do that by going to the thumbnail view, tapping the page you want to add, then add Page to Outline. So you can really customize the way you organize your notes in the way that works best for you. Now, maybe you want to save specific pages that you can go back to in the future, when you're studying, for example. You can simply bookmark them like so. These pages will show up under Favorites for easy access. Lastly, of course, we have to talk about handwriting search. If you can't remember which folder you stashed a particular note in, or you just can't be bothered, you can always count on the search function to find what you want. Search will pull up individual notes, notebooks, folders, and outline items. And yes, GoodNotes can search your handwriting. And that's a wrap. GoodNotes is designed to grow with you, from when you have just a few notes here and there, to when you have notebooks for everything from school to work and anything in between. So go ahead, create as many notes as you want. After all, you're prepared. You chose GoodNotes.